Hi, quadratic equation, class 10th, exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. We know it's a quadratic equation. It's in a form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. To find the roots of a quadratic equation, we have three methods. Listen me carefully. We have three methods. One is by factorization method. This method is also known as the middle splitting method. Hope you remember middle splitting method, factorization method, and one more by completing square method, and the third method is by formula method. Unless mentioned, we can follow any method. If it's specifically mentioned which method has to follow, we must follow that method only and we have to solve it. So out of these three, the completing the square method has been deleted from the portion a year ago itself. Okay, so we'll be not following this method, but the problem related with will be working out with the factorization or the formula method. So first problem, let us do with both the method. In this video I'll let you know both the method to find out the roots of quadratic equation. The first question is x square minus 3x minus 10. I'll be following the factorization method, then I'll go for the formula method. So let me draw a line. Formula method I'll work out here. This is the factorization method. Okay. Even you people have to work out with the both the methods, all the problems. As we know, when we factorization done using middle splitting, we have to see the first and the last term. So that is nothing but when you multiply, you must get minus 10x square, and when you add up middle splitting, isn't splitting the middle, you must get minus 3x. What are the numbers? Tell me what are the factors comes in table, 10. In which are the table the 10 comes? That is nothing but 2 5s are 10, or 5 2s are, or 10 1s are. 10 and 1 cannot make 3, but 2 and 5 can make 3. So the two numbers are 5x or 2x. Also we can take 5x and 2x, but we need the minus when we subtract a bigger number. Okay, hope you understood. So now first term and the last term we are going to write the same. We have learned it in last year. X square minus 3x can be written as a minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. Now we got four terms, make it two terms, sorry, is equal to 0 everywhere. Don't forget to write that. Now make it, we have four terms, make it pair of 2. What is the common here? X square minus 5x, we have the common as a x. If one x is taken, the remaining is a 1x minus 5 because x already taken. Now 2 and 10, what's the common? That is 2. 2 how many are 2x? 2 1s are, that is x. Also we can write 2 how many are 10? 2 5s are. Please check out inside the bracket. The check out inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, x minus 5, x minus 5 is, if it gets same inside the bracket, then almost our problem is same. So x minus 5 have written once here, the 2 both instead of 2 twice we have written it one time. One more, the value is x plus 2 is equal to 0. We need to find out the 0, right? So x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 minus 5 and moves the other side. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2 and goes the other side, that is minus 2. Okay, this is by factorization method finding out the roots or middle splitting. Now let us come for the formula method. What's the formula method? The formula method is nothing but, let us write the formula first. X is equal to, watch out carefully, I'm drawing it fully, this line, middle line, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac, the whole root b square minus 4, the whole divided by 2a. Look at the formula carefully. X is equal to the whole divided by taken as minus b, in between this equal mark, see, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4 is root of b square minus 4 is divided by 2a. This is the formula. Now what is a, b and c in this? What is a and b and c in this? The question is here. Let me write a is nothing but 1. What is b? B is nothing but minus 3. What is c? C is nothing but minus 10. Okay, now we have the a, b, c value. Substitute here x minus b. Minus is of the formula, you must write it begin first only. Now b, what is the b value? Minus 3. B value minus of minus 3. Hope you understood. The minus, however, in the formula we must write it first, then b is equal to minus 3 plus or minus b square, again minus 3 whole square minus 4 from the formula itself. What is the a value? A value is 1. What is the c value? That is minus 10. Minus 10. Okay, along with the sign you must write everywhere. 2a. 2 into what is a value? A value is 1. So x is equal to minus into minus, that is plus 3. I will not write plus or minus. I repeat, called as a plus or minus. The square of 3 will become 9. Minus 3 into minus 3. That is 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus 10, 4 into 10s are, that is 40. Minus into minus plus whole divided by 2 ones are 2. Now further step 3 plus or minus square of 9 plus 40, that is 49 divided by 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus, what is the square root of 49? Dash 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 49. It is 7. 7s are 49. The square root of 49 is 7. Hope you know. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Do you remember? 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. So it keep on going. 7 7s are 49. That's what I have taken the square root divided by 2. Now we have the two values, because once we have to take as a plus, one more time we have to take as a minus. So x is equal to, first I'll take the plus 3 plus 7 by 2. Another value, x is equal to 3 minus 7 by 2. X is equal to 3 plus 7 is 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So x is equal to 5, one value. Another value, x is equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is x is equal to minus 2. If we check the middle splitting, what we got the answer? X is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 2. Same answer we got here. So this is the two methods we are following to find out the quadratic equation, to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So here, by completing the square method, we will be not following, since it's been deleted from the syllabus. We have two methods. Okay, the rest of the problems I'll give the clue, you have to work out yourself. Thank you.